Bird game. The bird game teaches the concept of rotation by an angle to the users. This game is used to rotate the objects by non-conventional angles, apply different conditions used in programming, specify position of objects on X and Y axis, change instructions in the variable blocks. In this game, the user has to move the bird from the initial position to the nest after catching a worm on the way. This game has 10 levels. The difficulty increases with simple turning in a single direction to check conditions before turning in multiple directions. Before playing the game, let us learn about the blocks and their uses. Block. Used to. Heading 90 degree.
This block turns the bird by the given angle.
Does not have worm.
This block is a condition that is true till the bird has not gotten the worm.
If, do, else. The condition that allows the bird to move in the direction in do section of the block till the direction is true, otherwise move in the direction in the else section of the block when the condition becomes false. To play bird game, follow the given steps. Step 1. Type www.blockly.games in the address bar of the web browser and press Enter key. A Blockly Games welcome screen appears. Step 2. Click on the bird option. A tip appears on the screen. This tip tells the user how to move the bird forward from the current position towards the nest. Step 3. Click anywhere else on the screen to start the game. Step 4. Click in the heading block to change the angle of turning from 90 to 45. A small circle indicating the direction of rotation helps the young users to understand in which direction the bird will turn. The heading block turns and moves the bird forward in that direction. The heading block at the time of changing the angle looks similar to this. Step 5. Click on the Run Program button to see if the block helps the bird to reach the nest or not. Step 6. Click on the Reset button appears in place of the Run Program button if the bird does not reach the nest. Reset button returns to the original position to check the block again and make necessary changes. Once the bird reaches the nest, a dialog box appears on the screen. This asks the user whether to start the next level or not. Step 7. Click on OK button to start the new level. You have completed the level 1, now start the level 2. Arrange the block and change required values of the blocks as shown below. After completing the 10 levels of the bird, the home page automatically appears on the screen.